Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you own an RV, camper, trailer, or fifth wheel, you already know how challenging reversing and parking can be. That's why a reliable RV backup camera is a must-have in 2026. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 best RV backup cameras of 2026, focusing on wireless connectivity, solar power, HD video quality, and easy installation. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. DoHonest R50 Wireless Solar Magnetic Backup Camera. The DoHonest R50 is a portable, solar-powered backup camera designed for RVs, trailers, trucks, and campers. It features 1080p HD video, a 5-inch monitor, and a strong magnetic mount. No wiring or drilling required. This camera is ideal for users who want a quick setup. Thanks to the solar charging and rechargeable battery, it's perfect for temporary or rental RVs. The video feed is clear and the wireless signal is stable even at longer distances. Pros: no wiring or drilling required. Solar-powered and rechargeable. Strong magnetic mount. Clear 1080p HD video. Cons: smaller 5-inch screen. Limited advanced features. A great choice for beginners or anyone who wants a portable and hassle-free backup camera. Number 2. RV backup camera with solar magnetic and 7-inch monitor. This model comes with a 7-inch touchkey monitor, solar magnetic camera, and 1080p HD resolution. It also supports video recording, making it more advanced than basic models. The larger screen makes reversing easier, and the long-distance wireless signal ensures no lag or delay. Recording capability is a big bonus for safety and documentation. Pros: large 7-inch monitor, solar-powered camera, recording feature, no signal delay. Cons: slightly higher price. Monitor needs power connection. Perfect for RV owners who want better visibility and recording features. Number 3. Wireless RV backup camera for Furrion pre-wired RVs, F7. Designed specifically for Furrion pre-wired RVs, this system includes a 7-inch IPS touchscreen, 1080p FHD camera, night vision, and loop recording. Installation is incredibly easy if your RV is pre-wired. The IPS display offers excellent viewing angles, and night vision performs well in low light conditions. Pros: plug and play for Furrion RVs, IPS touchscreen display, loop recording, night vision, and waterproof design. Cons: best suited for Furrion RVs only, not magnetic. An excellent premium option for Furrion RV owners. Number 4. Dual RV backup camera wireless system, 4 channels. This dual camera system supports up to 4 cameras, includes a 7-inch recording monitor, and features solar-powered magnetic cameras with long battery life. Great for larger RVs or fifth wheels. You can monitor multiple angles at once, making lane changes and reversing much safer. Pros: dual camera setup, expandable to 4 channels, solar-powered and magnetic, long battery life. Cons: slight learning curve, higher cost. Best for drivers who want maximum coverage and safety. Number 5. AutoVox Solar Magnetic Wireless Backup Camera. The AutoVox system features a 7.2-inch DVR monitor, dual antenna, 1080p HD recording, and IR night vision with IP69K waterproof rating. Signal stability is excellent thanks to dual antenna. The split-screen recording is ideal for monitoring different views simultaneously. Pros: large 7.2-inch DVR monitor, dual antenna stable signal, IR night vision, 1-minute installation. Cons: premium pricing. Monitor requires power. A top-tier backup camera system for serious RV travelers. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our latest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.